In my line of work, safety is the #1 priority. We have an issue with noise, an issue with chippers, an issue with people up in the bucket. You don't want to get up there and hurt someone just because you couldn't hear. With Sonetics, it's a game changer. Before, it wasn't safe. We couldn't hear or we couldn't properly communicate. It was basically hand signals and yelling a lot. There's potential for disaster. I personally was up about 35, 40 feet, and we were topping out a big pine tree. So we're working, and I look at the guy in the middle and I say, hold traffic. So he said, go. I cut the thing and it drops. And as soon as it hit the ground, a car went by. It was a miscommunication. But with Sonetics, we put those headsets on and we talk into the mic. You could be 20 feet away from him, or he could be down on the ground, and machines are going everywhere. It quiets that noise. It's like talking to him face to face, and it helps us to work safer and to go home at night. So honestly, at this point, I would not work without Sonetics.